Chapter 4. Market Watch Detailed. You can find the Market Watch window on the top left side of the application. If you right-click the panel and select the option Show All, you will have all the symbols and quotes offered by XM displayed. By choosing the Symbols option, a new window will appear, showing the group structures of all the symbols offered. For example, if you click the first group, you can see all the instruments in that specific group. By selecting any of those symbols, you will be able to hide or show that specific symbol in your Market Watch window. You may choose to click the Properties button, which will open a new window with all the symbol specifications, and here you can find the stop level values of those specific symbols and their swap rates, or the settings for the margin hedge. In the same drop-down menu, you can also see the Sets option, with which you can remove or display the whole set of symbols. For example, you can have an overview of the major symbols by clicking the Forex set, or in order to have all Forex symbols displayed, you select and click the Forex All option. Once you adjust your customized set of instruments, you can even save it as an additional set in the default folder. Alternatively, you can remove your custom set by selecting Remove and clicking the set that you wish to delete. Another feature of the drop-down menu is the pop-up Prices option. It is also possible to enable this function by pressing F10 on your keyboard. Many traders find this option useful because it allows them to follow price changes and execute orders through this window. All you need to do is double-click any of the symbols and the order window will appear. Thank you for watching.